To use Cash App, you do not necessarily need a bank account, but it is highly recommended. A bank account is required to add funds to your Cash App account, but you can still receive money without one. First, you need to understand the two main types of Cash App accounts: verified and unverified. Unverified accounts have limited capabilities, such as receiving up to $1,000 per month, but you cannot add your own funds without a bank account. On the other hand, verified accounts have more capabilities, including the ability to add your own funds, transfer money to others, and even invest in stocks. To verify your account, you need to provide your social security number, date of birth, and your full name. If you do not have a bank account, you can still use Cash App to receive money from others, but you will not be able to add your own funds or transfer money to others. You can also use the Cash App debit card, known as the Cash Card, to make purchases at retailers that accept Visa. However, without a bank account, you will not be able to transfer your Cash App balance to a bank account, and you will have to use the Cash App debit card to access your funds. In conclusion, while a bank account is not required to use Cash App, it is highly recommended to get the most out of the service. If you have a bank account, you can add funds to your Cash App account, transfer money to others, and even invest in stocks. Without a bank account, your capabilities will be limited, and you will have to rely on the Cash App debit card to access your funds.